All right, a meter stick. A meter stick. All right, draw a picture of a meter stick. Ooh, that's a good meter stick. Ooh, that's a good meter stick. All right, 130 gram meter stick, right? Of course, we're going to say that the center of mass of the meter stick is at the center, right? Because it's uniform, right? Has a 22 gram clamp at the 23 centimeter mark, so that's about here. And that's 22 grams, right? Where would you clamp, right? A 35 gram clamp to make the meter stick balance at the 52 centimeter mark. So we're going to clamp a 35 gram clamp. So this thing balances at the 52. All right, so this is at the 23 centimeter mark. This is going to be at the X centimeter mark, right? Okay, and then our formula is that the X center of mass is, what is it? It's M1x1 plus M2x2 plus M3x3 divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is not in the data packet. You've got to memorize this. It's basically a simple weighted average, okay? The weights in this case are the masses, right? It's the average position of x1, x2, and x3, right? If they all had the same weight, that is, they were all weighted 1, okay, then it would just simply be the average of their positions. We'd add them up, divide by 3. But with a weighted system, things that have more mass in this case, because that's the weight, are more influential on the outcome, okay? So if we set this thing up, we know it's balancing at the 52 centimeter mark. So 52 is equal to, I hate it when it does that. Okay, 130 times, and then the meter stick you say is at 50, right, because it's uniform, plus 22 at the 23 centimeter mark, plus 35 at the X centimeter mark, right, all divided by 130, plus 22, plus 35, okay? Lots of ways to solve for x. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply. The first thing I'm going to do is go 52 times this thing, then subtract that, and I'll have what equals 35x. So literally I'm going 52 times left parenthesis 130 plus 22 plus 35, right parenthesis. And then I'm going to go subtract, so minus 130 times 50 minus 22 times 23. And I've got, when I hit enter, I will have the number that equals 35x, right? So now I divide by 35. Boom. 77.65. So 0.657. Okay. Phew-hoo. Okay. You can also use your solver, you know, if you don't feel like doing this algebra, right? Just say 52 minus this is 0, and then set it up, baby. Anyway, there you go.
Or it starts